Hi, this is Ron from My Digital, and right now I'm in the My Digital Museum at Yishun. And dear fathers, we have not forgotten you. During this occasion, we are going to launch some of the most affordable fingerprint package for your HDB door and gate. So the first promotion will be the MDL dual fingerprint gate lock, whereby you can unlock using fingerprint card pin for the front. At the back, there's also a fingerprint sensor, a key to bypass, and also a remote control for you to press. For this gate lock, it's actually very popular, which can match with all our door lock. So the first promotion will be the Lock Home Galaxy Shine, okay, fingerprint lock to match with our dual fingerprint gate lock. This bundle deal we are launching at $499 with 1-year warranty. So if you want a door lock with something with a key to bypass, okay, will be the MDL 4-in-1 door lock with the gate lock will be at $550. So both of them are $550. If you like our epic pop scan, okay, you can get a pop scan and the dual fingerprint gate lock at $599 only. And all these three promotions are the lowest fingerprint bundle deal that you can find in the market. So if you are looking for a replacement, we can actually recommend you the Lock Home or the Trident Face Recognition Push-Pull Lock. Both of them at $799 with our MDL dual fingerprint gate lock. So if you want a face recognition lock, I believe this is one of the best deals that you can find. Okay, if you want something that is come with brand, it will be the Lenovo A1. This is one of our best sellers as it is one of the slimmest lock. Majority of the HDB door and gate you can install, and you see the touch pin. Okay, it's very cool. You can use a fingerprint card or pin number. With the dual fingerprint gate lock, we are selling at $999 with 1-year warranty. When you purchase any of our digital lock, you are entitled to purchase our Lecool, okay, wireless speaker at $20 or Epic letterbox lock at only $14 with free installation, or even the Line 8 power adapter at $50. Furthermore, you can come to our My Digital Museum to actually experience the MDL music box with karaoke system. Okay, right now when you purchase any of the digital lock, we are going to less $200 for this item. Three years ago, we have launched the Laminate Gate, and in 2023, we have launched the Kato Marble Gate. We aim to actually build one of the luxurious gates with a more authentic design, and we have actually developed a series of design in the My Digital Museum. Okay, so as you can see, a lot of customer feedback that the Laminate Gate, the gradients is more fake, and our marble stone, as you can see, all the gradients are reflective and also random. Okay, the printing is very nice. And also in 3x7 feet, we are launching at $999, 4x7 feet, $100 more. Okay, and you can actually add $100 more to get a 2K gold design to enhance the design further. Okay, and also in this showroom, we actually launched some of the nice and golden designer lever handle to match with our marble gate. To follow the trend, and if you do not like our Kato Marble Gate, you can consider our Kato 2K Gold Gate. As a lot of interior designers like those kind of horizontal, vertical design, and we have actually added some of the 2K Gold strip to actually enhance it. For 3x7 feet, we are selling at $899, and 4x7 feet, we are selling at $999 only. So after you purchase the gate, and if your door is a flat surface door, you can actually spend $299 to actually get the vinyl door sticker. Marble design, we have actually up to 30 designs for you to choose to wrap your door for front, back, and also side when you purchase our digital lock. So for this Father Day promotion, when you purchase any 2 My President Hotel quality mattress from $899 onwards, you can choose one of the free gift below. A free mattress, okay, for second price and equivalent, or you can choose a Dyson hair dryer, a Dyson Pure Cool Power Fan, or even the mini fridge in pink or white color. So the interior will look something like this. Okay, you can put inside your bedroom, or you can actually choose a Dyson V8 vacuum cleaner. So during this event, when you purchase any of our digital lock with mattress, we will further discount $200 with free delivery. So order now and get it today. Wishing all the fathers a happy Father's Day.